Hey guys, I'm Tammy and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you the easiest way that I found to make a zippered pillowcase. To make this bag, you'll need a piece of fabric that is the same size as your pillow. If you want a looser fit, you can add your own seam allowance. You'll also need an invisible zip for your pillowcase. Finish the raw edge of the bottom of the pillow pieces. I'm going to use an overlocker. Then take your zip and place it against one end of your pillow piece, then make a mark where the zip needs to sit. I like to make mine a ½ inch from the end. Cut your zip at that mark and use a zigzag stitch on your sewing machine to secure the end. With the right side of one pillow piece facing up, align the zipper against the finished edge with the right side facing down. Clip along the edge. Then open the zipper up so it's easier to sew. Make sure to use a zipper foot and sew close to the zipper teeth along the finished edge. Place the pillow piece we just sewed with the right side facing up in front of you, then place the other pillow piece with the right side facing down and clip along the other side of the zipper to the finished edge. Sew close to the zipper teeth along the finished edge. Now test your zip to make sure it works well, then make sure the zip is open and with right sides together align both pillow pieces on top of each other. Clip along the side seams and top edge of the pillowcase. Sew using a ½ inch seam allowance and finish the raw edges of the seams we just sewed. Turn the pillow out through the gap at the zip and use your fingers to define the edges of the pillow. Stuff your pillow inside the pillow cover and try to distribute it evenly. And here's the final pillowcase. It's honestly the easiest method that I love to use. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. I'll see you in the next one.